Hey, yo, Jeezy. You using the bathroom? Jeezy, you in there? You using the bathroom?
Yeah, I'm using the bathroom.
How long you gonna be?
Yeah, I'll be about 20 minutes.
Alright. Waivers. Don't you just hate when somebody try to interrupt your brush session, trying to blow it up in here right next to the bathroom while you trying to get a session in? You know what I mean?
Hey, Jeezy,
I ain't about to have him.
Hey, Jeezy, you done?
Are you done? Jeezy, you done?
Nah, I'm still in here. I said about 20 minutes. Go use the other bathroom.
Alright. Golly. Not about to blow up my bathroom. You tripping.
HustleDreamProduction.
Alright, you guys, before you're gonna start cutting, you wanna make sure you pick the hair out and lay that hair down on the sides. And I'm vibing to this beat right now because this beat right here is sponsored by Hustle Dreams Productions. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray the hair down with spritz. I like to do this trick. I like to harden the hair first, stiffen it up before I do my freehand trim. So right after that, I'm basically gonna be doing some freehand trim on top. I'm gonna shape it up, and I'm not really gonna refine it or like get it real perfect. I just want to get it into that shape before I actually start doing my detail shaping. You guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in my bald line using my Babyliss red trimmers. Alright, so now switching over to my Andis cordless masters with the lever open, I'm going up about a ½ inch. Using my one guard open in the same way I use the lever open with the same width, I'm going up about a ½ inch and I'm making sure that I scoop out, keeping everything consistent. So with the lever closed, I'm gonna freehand that area and just making sure that it runs fluently into that afro. I don't like using, a 2 guard because I feel like it digs in and you can kind of take off more than you need to. So right now with my 1 guard closed, I'm gonna go down on that area just to clear up some of that bulk at the top. So continue on using my one guard closed in a flick out motion. I'm gonna soften up that middle line. Now using the zero guard with the lever closed in a flick out motion, it's very easy now to take out that middle line, especially when you're using your corners. So with the lever halfway, I'm basically softening up that bottom line in the same way I use the one guard to soften up that middle line. Now with the lever closed in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. It's going to be way more easier to flick out that bottom line, especially if you use your corners. Alright, after you've done all your steps, what you want to do is do some detailing, man. I cannot stress this enough. This is where you take a look at something else for a couple of seconds, or look in the mirror, whatever you have to do to kind of readjust your eyes or see things differently, you know what I mean? Because sometimes we get too focused on the blend and it kind of overtakes us when it comes to like the little details that we need to look at. So you want to refresh your eyes as much as possible throughout this detailing process. So in the same way that I set in my guidelines on the side, I basically do the same thing in the back. When I'm recording, how I usually start my lineups is I start with the sides first, and then I go to the middle and meet the middle to the sides. What you don't want to do is start from a corner and then start from that side and then work your way all the way to the other side. Now you're bound to be crooked if you do that. So make sure you start in the middle. That way it's the shortest point for you to get to the other sides. client wanted the curl sponge on top, so I'm going in small circular motions. You're gonna have to do this for a good 3 minutes to get the hair to really curl right. Listen, let me tell you why they call me 360. When they come in my chair, I spin them in a full 360, and they come out looking like bang. YouTube, this is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, HustleDreamProduction, that's my brother on the beats. He does all my beats, man. Make sure you check him out. The links will be in the description below. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Snapchat is Jeezy360 and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here.